Hey guys, Troy here, and if you watched my previous video about the update on Hailstorm, then you know what this video is about. This is about the tutorial on scrap metal. So let's get straight down to it. So section 1 will be the legs. Section 1 will be the arms. Section 2 will be the legs. Section 3 will be the head and some of the connection points. And Section 4 will be the backpack. So what we're going to do is take each section, take it apart, and rebuild it. Then we'll do the same thing with all the rest of the sections. And finally, we'll combine the figure to make the figure. So here are all the parts you're going to need for one of the arms. Yeah, so just take everything you see here and multiply it by 2, and you've got the total of parts amount for the arms. So what you're going to do first is take this and take the claw, put that on there, put the wheels on, just using studs here for that. Then you want to take this piece. You need a total of 4 pieces for this. 2 on the arms and 2 on the legs. And then you want to take this piece and put it on here. And there you have that. Then you want to take one of these, like that, and then put a tile on here, a 1x1 tile on there. And then you want to take one of these pieces, put it on there like that, and then take a jumper plate, put it on there, and put a 1x4 tile on there, right there. And then you want to, oh my bad, you want to flip this over like that, and then rotate this around. So there you have that, and then you want to put this onto here. And there you have that. And then you want to build the same thing, just like that. And you want to put this into robot mode form, so do that, rotate that around, fold this out, fold this down, rotate the hand out, and you're good. So there you have the arms completed. So here are all the pieces you're going to need for one leg. And to build this, what you're going to do first is you're going to take your hinge here and take a little claw here, and you want to put it on just like that, and take your 1x1 trans red piece and put it on like that. And then you want to take one of these and put it on there. Then take one of these, put it on there. And then you want to take one of these pieces. You can see it that. Here, let's get some light in here. So, need one of these pieces. You're going to put that on like that. Then you want to take this, put it on there, like that. Take another one of these pieces, put it on like that, so there you have that. And you want to take an antenna piece. Spaghetti! Sorry about that. That was random. Anyway, so there you have the foot. Now you want to take this piece, put a jumper plate on there, and then you want to take one of these clip pieces, put that on there like that. Actually, no, don't put that on yet. You want to go ahead and put all of this assembly together. So you want to take one of these pieces and this piece and put it on there. Put a jumper plate on there, and you want to take one of these pieces, put it on right there. And since we're putting this into robot mode, just rotate this so it's like that, and then slide it all the way down. And then you want to take another one of these and just put it on there. And you want to make sure that this has no studs in it, so it can't be a grill piece, unfortunately. But yeah. And then you just want to put this on there like that. And there you have one leg, and then you want to build the same thing, except for just swapping the pieces. So there you have the legs. So here is the pieces you're going to need to build the head and some of the connection points. So to start off with the head, it's pretty simple. Just take a piece like this and your option of visor. I like a red visor. It looks really cool. So then you want to take one of these pieces. You can see that. And put it on right there. Then you want to take one of these pieces. I just chose gold because it's what I had. And then you want to take one of these, put it on just like that. And I'm just making sure I'm doing this right, because if I screw this up, I'm sorry. So then you want to take one of these pieces again, and you're going to need quite a bit of these. At least 3, if not 4. So then just put that on there. Fold this down, because we're making this into robot mode, of course. And then take one of these pieces. You want to make sure you got the right one. So you have that. You need 2 of these. Put it on like that, and then just put this one on the other side like that. And to make sure it holds, put a grill piece on top. And in robot and vehicle mode, the visor will rest on this, just like that. But we're making this into robot mode. So there you have the headpiece. And because I'm a lazy bum, this is the the backpack halfway separated. So I'll instruct it a little bit further. So what you're going to do is you're going to take one of these, put windshield pieces on it. You don't have to, but if you want to make it look good in robot mode, then I recommend you do that. So then take one of these and make sure they're swapped. So you have this effect, and there's that. Now, let me just make sure I'm correct, because I'm trying not to screw this up. I'm trying really hard, guys. Wow. This is harder than I thought. Okay, so no, you want to put this on the bottom like that. So then you hang on. Okay. Now I got it straight. So you have this. You want to make sure it's in this orientation. And then you want to take a 1x4 like that. And then you want to take 2 1x1s and a G-slope and put it on each side. And you want to make sure this is all correct. So this will end up like this, and you want this looking like that. So you're going to put it on right there, like that. And you want to take this. It's can basically see what it is, and you want to put that on right there. So at the end you should have this. Now let's get down to assembling. First what you need to do is you're going to take the headpiece right here, and you're going to connect right up here to down here, and this will complete the backpack. And fold these down, and there you have your backpack all done. Next what you're going to do is you're going to take one of the legs. This leg will be first. Just put it on there. Make sure everything's straight, because that's important. The way he stands right. Take the other leg, put it on there. Like that. Make sure everything's straight. It should be. And tilt him forward just a little bit. And then put his arms on. So you want this side, this arm, right here on the right. And this arm to be on the left. So you want the arms, the wheels facing inward. And there you have scrap metal completed. So yeah, that's it. So this is Troy signing off.